take you down to the islands now. Crystal blue waters of the Caribbean. Hanging out at the hotel bar, where you meet all kinds of interesting people. And this is the story of one such event. Ran into a pilot down at the hotel bar. Said he flew a piper through the Caribbean islands. I asked how he found his way across the open sea. He said, I live by one rule, and this rule he shared with me. Oh, when I land on an island, I land on the land. When I land on an island, I land on the land. Don't want to splash in the ocean, crash into the sand. No, 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 when I land on an island, I land on the land. He told me that maps are for those who do not know how to read the horizon, the moon and the stars. You have to be so careful, all alone up in the sky. It's how I choose to live my life, but it's not how I want to die. No, 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 so when I land on an island, I land on the land. When I land on an island, I land on the land. Don't want to splash in the ocean or crash into the sand. No, 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 when I land on an island, I land on the land. Oh, yeah! Seeing sky become one, I hold the line on what I know to be true. And my friend, I wish the same for you. Then he lifted his glass and I joined with a toast to a handful of friends he had lost along the way. He said their spirits fly with me and I hear their voices ring, forever remind